one thing I hate is when people tell me that time will just fly by. Like, I'm about to start a 7-month trading program, right? And my dad's talking about, oh, don't worry. When you were in high school, you remember you thought it was going to take you years to finish. You thought it was going to go by so slow. And I'm like, it did go by so slow. You just thinking back on it, talking about, oh, wow, I wish I could go back and change things. That's why you think time flies by. Time does not fly by. Time goes by like time. It slows down. It speeds up. Like, nigga, this is not a fucking YouTube video. Life goes by short, especially when you don't fuck with it. You talking about some time is just going to fly by. No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, time's going to fly by. How about you go through a 30-year prison sentence, eh? How about we do that? How about we do a prison break in real life since time just flies by?